Good morning everyone. My name is Ashwanya and studying in second standard Shishaksan. Today I am going to speak about Rani Velu Nachar. Rani Velu Nachar was a great freedom fighter of India. She was born in 1730 in a beautiful land of Sivagangai. Her parents were Chalamuthu Sethupathi, Sakandi Muttattal. In 1772, a British troop killed her husband, Muthu Vaduganathan Periya Udaya Devar. A British troop captured then Sivagangai. Velu Nachar determined to free the Pradesh, recover Sivagangai. Along with the support of Tipu Sultan, Marudhu brothers and Queenie, she fought bravely against the British East India Company. Finally, she won the battle and get back Sivagangai. She was a great role model for all women. Her life continues to inspire future generations. Thank you.